3ds Max versus Lumion. Which 3D design tool is better? So 3ds Max is a professional 3D modeling, animation, and rendering software developed by Autodesk. It's widely used in architecture, game development, film, and design for creating detailed 3D assets, environments, and animations. So why should you use 3ds Max? Well, it offers some key features. It has some advanced polygon and spline modeling tool. They also have a high quality rendering with the Arnold renderer. It also offers a powerful animation and rigging system. They even have extensive plugin and script supports. They also have integration with other Autodesk software like the AutoCAD and Revit. Now here's some pros. It offers industry standard for detailed modeling and animation. It's also highly customizable with a plugin, and it also has a strong community and learning resources. The only problem is it has a steep learning curve for beginners and it can be expensive with the subscription pricing. Now, Lumion, on the other hand, is a 3D rendering software. It's a real-time software focused on architectural visualization. It's designed to help architects, designers, and students quickly turn 3D models into photorealistic images and videos, and even 360 panoramas. So what it offers is real-time rendering for quick results. It also has a large built-in asset library, like for plants, furniture, or people. It also offers an easy-to-use interface for beginners, and it supports models from SketchUp, Revit, 3ds Max, and more. And it has a live sync feature for real-time model updates from CAD or BIM software. Now, what it offers is it's very fast with the rendering as well. It's also beginner friendly, and it's great for showcasing architectural projects. The only problem is it has limited advanced modeling tools, which requires external 3D modeler, and it has a high cost for Pro version. So in conclusion, 2ds Max is ideal for professionals who need precise modeling, complex animations, and deep developer control over detail. Now, choose Lumion on the other hand if you want to spend more time on architecture and designing, who wants to quickly produce stunning visualizations without spending weeks rendering.